Hello, welcome to our channel Flight Note Center. Our channel Flight Note Center is giving us aviation theory information and also practical use of this theory. And please subscribe if you want to get this information about mostly aviation theoretical information, which are accurate and very reliable. Today our topic is going to be about Icao versus IATA codes. Icao basically means International Civil Aviation Authority, which is a UN body which deals with aviation regulations and procedures. While IATA basically means International Air Transport Authority, which deals with the private sector and commercial issues of aviation. And today, basically our discussion is going to be between Icao and IATA codes. And what is Icao codes? Icao codes basically are four-lettered codes which are supposed to depict airports and airstrips, which gives us a unique way of identifying a specific airstrip or airport. For example, Icao codes are four-lettered. For example, we have HKMO, which is basically Mombasa International, and we have FAOR, which is Oliver Tambo International in South Africa. Anytime you see four-lettered code, it's basically supposed to mean Icao code, which is used basically by the Meteorological Department and for issuance of NOTAMs for both pilots and air traffic control. IATA codes are basically used by the commercial airlines, and they're supposed to depict to the passengers and flight dispatchers the destination and the departure points of an aircraft using the three-letter code. The three-letter code is basically an abbreviation of the location of the airport. For example, we have NBMI, which is supposed to be in Nairobi Jomo Kenyatta International Airport as the destination, according to IATA codes. While Alpha Mike Sierra AMS is supposed to mean the Amsterdam, the Schiphol International Airport. So let's check on now the difference between Icao and IATA code in brief. Icao code are four-lettered, and they're supposed to depict a unique location of an airport or an airstrip. It is used by the pilots and air traffic control for issuance of metrology and NOTAMs and also filing of the flight plan. While IATA codes are three-lettered codes, which is governed by a non-governmental body, as we have said, International Air Transport Authority, and the codes are basically used to depict the destination and departure points for passengers. These are private sector standards, which are also only to be used for commercial purposes. Okay, let's now look at Icao code as what this is our main focus as aviators. And the first letter H, for example, we have Icao code HKNO. The first letter H is supposed to always depict the region or continent in which the airport or airstrip is located. And the second letter K, second letter basically means a state, country, for example, Kenya, and state or flight information region. Flight information region is basically a boundary within which air traffic control services are available, and they have area control center which coordinates all the flights within the flight information region. So the letter K in this case will mean country, Kenya. And then the third and the fourth letter N and O are supposed basically to mean that to depict the unique code of the airport. For example, NO for Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. And this marks the end of our discussion for this. And for just a recap, remember H is a first letter for region or continent, And K in this case, which is the second letter, is supposed to depict the country, state, or FIR, while N and O are supposed to basically depict the unique code of the airport. For example, Jomo Kenyatta International. And if, let's say, it was HK, KI will be Kisumu International Airport, or HUEN, therefore this is Entebbe International Airport. And thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.